Hello. Now we are going to see a lead management system. This developed by Infomine. This lead management system has been customized for a bank for their particular products. It can be extended to any other use case also. So I will begin by clicking on to lead management. So I have logged in as a global manager. So there are several roles within the application. So we can set different roles and we can assign different access levels to them. So in the case of lead management, so basically you can create a lead through manual mode. Excel mode is also supported. So we can select the category of the lead. So in this case, like deposits, gold loans, or the bank branch, or some other parameter here. The load of the source of the lead, uh, reference ID, what kind of service type, what product they are interested in, the name, their company name, contact, address, and all this information. It can be collected at the ticket creation stage. So for simplicity, I have created a ticket here. A customer is interested in gold loan, and the information was obtained by customers visit to the branch. So now in this, like once the ticket is created, it will come up in the screen, and you can see there are several filters are also available on the top through which a particular entry can be searched easily. So a unique ticket ID or is generated by this system to keep track of all the changes. So in this ticket management, so there is an eye icon here where you can see all the details, the particular details of the ticket, and at the bottom you can see something called as a ticket history. So here you will be able to see the entire history of the ticket, and then the basic details can be edited, and there is also an option for VoIP. So it's currently under development. So once the VoIP is integrated, the user will be able to directly call the person from the PC. So now once the ticket is created, we have to go to the next steps. So I will go to update status. So here under update status, so we can click this update icon, and we can move it to the next stage. So next stage is like one executive has to follow up the person, and then get the necessary details, and like what are their interests and how the bank can help them, etc. So we can assign a particular date and time for them, and we will assign a particular executive for this purpose. So for example, so I'm assigning to Syed Halim M. So here you can see there are three the color code kind of thing. So basically it shows open tickets, active, and closed tickets. Open means whatever that are assigned to this person. Active means whatever the person is currently working, and closed means the tickets that are closed by this person at the as of today. So this will help to properly assign the evenly distribute the load among the executives. So I have assigned to Syed Halim, and his team leader is Sangeeta. So now the ticket is assigned. So once it is assigned, next it goes into the bucket of the executive. They have to follow up and find out all this stuff. So I'm going to log in as the executive. So here I can see the ticket is assigned, and if necessary we can go and see the entire history. So here you can see like it was created at so and so time, and it was assigned to this division, the team leader and executive combination at so and so date. So everything is captured by the system. So now this executive, after talking to the customer, they will update their status. So tele follow up done up with the prospect. So whatever they have talked to them, and they will update it here. So if any specific remarks are there, it can be entered here. So now once the follow-up is complete, now it will be analyzed, so that uh, now I will log in as the TL. So the executive will report to the team leader of their findings, and the team leader can proceed with the next steps. So they will analyze the remarks and find out like whether we can convert it to a lead, or it's not of use to us and can be rejected. So for example, if I convert it into a lead and save, so now the prospect is converted to a lead. So the next is what what next step is like, so once the lead has been identified, so the interest areas will be identified for the lead and updated for the lead. So that is the next step in the process. So they can fill in any specific remarks, if any, and then finally it will go to the next level, so where the lead is converted into a prospect, and it is moved to the prospect management system. It goes to the next system. So now you can see the status is closed. That is the total flow of the lead management system. So we can see the entire history now. So if I just go and click the eye icon, so here you can see the entire history is here. So who updated the status and at what time it was done, so all the details are there. So there is an option to have additional any attachments also, so that can also be uh, facilitated. So and all the remarks made by the executive or team leader during the entire process will also be recorded in the history. It will be visible here. And also you have an option of generating an MIS for the entire duration. You can select a particular branch, date, under which executive or which team leader processed it, and you can generate it. The entire data can be generated as an Excel sheet. Thank you.